How to connect Square to GoDaddy. So if you want to connect your Squarespace to GoDaddy first, of course, you need to create a website here on Squarespace. So this is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is go to squarespace.com, and then here you can create an account using your Google or email and password. This is what it looks like. And what you're going to do here is just tap on Get Started. Also, you need to create an account in GoDaddy. Let's start with Squarespace. So tap on Get Started. Here, the category. So what is your site all about? You can choose from any of the category here. So let's just say if you're looking for, or if you want to create a website for technology, you can just basically add it right here, and then you can check here the boxes for what do you want to do with your website. You can check any of this here, and then after that tap on next. And like what I've mentioned earlier, you can create an account using your Google, email, Facebook. Everything is up to you. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now what you're going to do here is you have to simply add the name of your website. So for example, Johnny Works, and then here you can select a brand personality, and then after that tap on next. Here you can add section to your home or website, so you can add your section. After that you can tap on next. So on the next page you need to add pages. So for example, if you want to add about me, contact us, everything is up to you. Here you need to add or select the color that you want for your page, for your website. And then once done, then you can now tap on next. And then after that, select a font. So you can select from any of the font here. And then after that, tap on next. So you have to wait as it is processing. Your website will be based on the color, the pages, everything that you have selected there. And in order for you to edit this, like if you want to add more services, if you want to add the images or videos of your product, if you want to edit your homepage here, the name of your site or anything here, you just have to tap on edit. And then you can edit the header, the section. You can add blocks right here and then change the picture. Okay, tap on edit. And then here you can change the header of your website. So tap this one right here and you can change. You can add logo. So for logo, I strongly suggest to use Canva. Canva is a free editing tool. So you can create a logo using Canva. You just have to go to Canva, create an account here, and then go to create a design, search for a logo. You can add or choose from any of this. So after that, you have to simply go to design and then search for something like technology. It's about technology. You can look for any design logo here for technology. You can change the font size, font style, the background color. So for example, Jandy Work. And then just keep it simple like this. And then once done, you can tap on share and then download this as PNG. So I know that you can do better than this for your logo, but we will not be focusing on that. So once done, again, you just have to tap on share and then download this. So once you have your logo using Canva, you can go back to Squarespace and then upload the logo right here. And you can change the size of your logo. You can increase the size or decrease. You can also create a logo for mobile view. And this is the result. So let me increase this one. And this is how you edit your header. You can also change the position of the section above. Here you can change the background. You can add some elements here or blocks. So if you want to add blocks here on your Squarespace, you just have to click and then look for add block. When I say add block, you can add here video, images, links, anything. So for example, if I'm going to tap this again, and then I can see this add block and I want to add something like, you can add here URL and a link, let's just say from Canva. Okay, so you can choose from any of this, and then you can add a block here. Basically, that's it. And once you have added any block here on this section, you can also change the images of the featured products. You can just double tap this one and then change the image. You can upload here your own products and then change the background, change the detail, and basically that's it. So that's how easy it is to edit Squarespace. Now once done, then you can publish this. Okay, so before we publish, of course, our tutorial is how to connect GoDaddy. So you have to go to GoDaddy and create an account here in GoDaddy. And now here's the thing. To simply connect your GoDaddy to Squarespace or Squarespace to GoDaddy, you need to go to godaddy.com and use the search bar to find your desired domain name. If it's available, click Add to Cart and proceed to checkout. So you need to create an account or login and complete the purchase by entering payment details. So you need to have your domain here in GoDaddy and you need to purchase that. For the meantime, I can't purchase, but I'll just show you. Once you have your domain right here, okay, so after choosing GoDaddy as your domain provider in Squarespace, you will be prompted to log into your GoDaddy account. Or once you have your domain right here, you can now go back to Squarespace. And then this time, what you're going to do is you have to go to Squarespace settings. Okay, and now here in the Squarespace, you have to go to settings, click domains, click use a domain I own. Let's just say you have your domain from GoDaddy. Okay, so basically, once you have your domain from GoDaddy, you can just basically add it right here. So click this domain right here and then choose connect domain. This means you're linking it but keeping it registered at GoDaddy. So type your full name domain and click continue. Select GoDaddy as your domain provider. Squarespace will ask you to log into your GoDaddy account directly inside their interface. After logging in, authorize Squarespace to manage your DNS settings. Select the domain you want to connect. Squarespace will automatically update the DNS records for you. Wait for the connection to complete. This can take up to 24 to 48 hours for DNS changes to fully propagate. So all you have to do is to wait for that. Now, after, you can check connection status. You can return to settings or your Squarespace domain. Your domain should show as connected once the setup is complete, and it should be connected to GoDaddy. So that's how easy it is to simply connect Square to GoDaddy. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.